Hey YouTubers, what's going on? It's Man here. This is a little 1974 Kmart model C-14 14-inch box fan. Got this fan from the garbage. It was originally on a little stand, but I put that on my other C-14, which is a 73, and it's the nice one that's got the name badge right there and the big red K on the switch plate. I just put this handle on it. This is before I cleaned this fan. You can see it's still got lots of dirt on it. It's got bunch of crap down that side, and the blades aren't shiny, and the grills are dirty, and everything else, and the motor needs oil. And I'm gonna have to paint its new handle. It's metal. It came off of a early 60s Lakewood P20 frame that I had laying around. It was a flaming Franken fan. The motor burst into a ball of fire one night. End of that fan. It's life. Had a big rust hole in the bottom of it, so I didn't really care. And it looks good on this one. And it won't be breaking again because this handle is metal, unlike they're usually plastic ones. But anyway, that's it for this video, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and look for a video of this fan all fixed up.